Hello everyone. Let us see question number 21. Explain the formation of ionic bond between sodium and chlorine atoms, which carries two bonds. We know that sodium and chlorine atoms are bonded to ionic bond. That is sodium chloride having ionic bond. So, ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ how the formation of ionic bond between sodium and chlorine. Sodium atom loses its one valence electron and becomes cation. Sodium electron distribution ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ K, L ಮತ್ತೆ M shells ಅಲ್ಲಿ K ದಲ್ಲಿ 2 electrons, L ಅಲ್ಲಿ 8 electrons, M ಅಲ್ಲಿ only 1 electron. But noble gas electronic configuration ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ it has to lose this electron. Therefore sodium its one valence electron and becomes cation. ಒಂದು electron ಹೋದ್ರೆ cation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Chlorine atom gains an electron to its valence shell from the sodium atom and becomes anion. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ electron distribution ಬರೆದ್ರೆ K, L ಮತ್ತೆ M ಅಲ್ಲಿ K shell will be having 2 electrons. L will be having 8. M will be having 7. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲಿ 17 electrons ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು electron ಸಿಕ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ noble gas electronic configuration ಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. Therefore chlorine atom gains electron from sodium atom. Single electron ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು chloride ion ಆಗಿ convert ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. It becomes anion Cl minus. These two ions being oppositely charged ನೋಡಿ Na plus Cl minus being oppositely charged attract each other, and due to a strong electrostatic force of attraction sodium chloride will be ಇಲ್ಲಿ Na plus ಮತ್ತೆ Cl minus ಅನ್ನ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Cl minus, since they are having charges, that is opposite charges, they attract each other, and due to strong electrostatic force of attraction sodium chloride will be formed. This is the formation of ionic bond between sodium and chlorine. Thank you.